In the heartland of America, there's a city, our city, Kansas City. A city that beats with the rhythm of a million hearts, each with a unique story to tell. We're a collective of individuals, diverse in our paths, yet unified in our identity. From morning's first light to the night's final star, we're woven together by a shared spirit. Kansas City spirit. It's in the food we savor, the music we dance to, the teams we cheer on. It's in the air we breathe, and it's on our chests, close to our hearts. These aren't just shirts. These are symbols. Symbols of a city that stands together. Because Kansas City is not just a city, it's our city. Kansas City, my city, man, I love my city.